Hello everyone. The swearing in ceremony is at 10 a.m. Now it's currently going on. People are being invited and they're being received by CM Vijay himself. And a lot of people are now gathered in that place. And 10:15 is the time where swearing in takes place. And Vijay now will be swearing in as the new CM of Tamil Nadu. So let me tell you how, because I could have uploaded a video about this last night, but I was quite held up with life and I couldn't upload a video back then. So first of all, he has reached the number of 120 seats or 120 constituencies. He's got 1 MLAs. So basically, 118 is the majority number, but he's got more than the majority, which is 120. So what next? Basically, what next? This is the question for a lot of people. Vijay now will be swearing in as the new CM of Tamil Nadu. Then he will be going to the assembly with all of the one MLAs, opposition ex-ministers, and opposition MLAs, and everyone will be there from the 234 constituencies, whoever have won. All of them will be invited to the assembly in Tamil Nadu, and the floor test will be taking place. The floor test is basically the governor or the speaker will be asking who all are interested or who all are supporting for TVK to become the ruling party, and who all are supporting Vijay to be the CM of Tamil Nadu. So this is just a question, some kind of question. So all of them support are going to be raising their hands, and all of them against are going to be raising their hands. If the number of the people who are raising their hands is more than 118, then Vijayana will be checking sure and taking his path away as the CM of Tamil Nadu, and he's got a long way to go because he has to keep up with his promises. So how did 120 people come to him suddenly? How did the number change to 120? Who all came and joined? This is the question. So basically, last evening, VCK party Shatirma came to join. After a lot of drama, he asked for everything, but now he is coming for basically all of his demands were rejected. But still, he came out in the press and stated that just because of me, people would blame on me that I'm the reason for TVK to not form the government. So I am going to be joining TVK right now because the people are going to be hating on me. So he has came and joined TVK for no demands. No, none of his demands have been fulfilled right now. Just one thing which is going on and off is just like they're asking him. So Vijay is in two constituencies, isn't it? So Tiruma is asking for him to stand in one of the constituencies because Vijayan has won and he has to be sitting as the chief minister. So one of his constituencies, someone has to be standing there instead of Vijayana. So he wants that one constituency which Vijayana stood before. So that is one thing which he basically wanted for the VCK party to join TVK, but till now it is no demands has been granted because he even wanted the deputy CM post, but none of it was granted to him. But he still wanted to join TVK, and that's what happened last evening. And IUML, Indian United Muslim League, basically joined TVK as well last evening. So basically, we are now at the number of 120, and that is just it. This is a remarkable feat, and now at 10 a.m., Vijayana will be swearing in as the CM of Tamil Nadu. This is a remarkable achievement, and this is a must-watch show. Everyone, all of his actors, all of his co-actors, his friends, his family members, and other dignitaries are present in the Nehru uh, hall. Basically, they are completely transformed the stadium into a hall where they're going to be meeting, reaching, and this ceremony is going to be taking place. So this is basically a very important event for each and every person because whoever wanted to make him win, and this is not just his victory, it's all of your victories. And now seeing him win after all of these struggles really makes my heart sweeter. So we see him taking oath as the new CM of Tamil Nadu. Let's all of us wait and see what show is going to be happening. It's going to be a beautiful sight to watch. So it's all for today. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until bye, see you later. It's me, Ashwan, signing off. Peace out.